my granddaughters. Welcome to Tips and Technique Thursday. We're going to show you how we harvest the seaweed from the creek and use it in the veggie garden. And the water's warm, isn't it? It's when you get out that it's a little chilly, but it's 90 degrees out. This is a spring-fed creek and it never freezes, almost never. I want to thank you for tuning in to my Tea Time Tuesday and Tips and Techniques Thursday. And the girls wanted to make a video. Of course, they wanted to be in it. And I thought, what better way than on our creek that we are so happy that we have. The girls have been taking dips in the creek since they've been very little, probably a couple years old. We always start out pulling just the seaweed on the edge and we end up getting all wet, so we decided to swim in the creek. And they enjoy it now that they're older. We are very blessed to have this. Nature is awesome. So this is what we do. We take our winter sleds and we walk up creek. You want to come this way, girl?
Yeah.
And we fill the sled with seaweed. And then put it over on the edge on the beach, and then wheelbarrow it up to the garden. Now I put it on the beach after this so some of the water drains out, otherwise the wheelbarrow gets really heavy. So we just, it's anchored in the bottom, of course, the roots, and we just twist our wrist and pull. We can't twist my right arm though, gotta use my left. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Oh, the sandbar goes up over here. Look at how higher it is over here.
Oh, yeah.
Go walk over there.
Oh, it's big and mushy.
Yeah.
Whoa! Oh, Grammy. I'm sinking in!
No, go that way.
Grammy, I'm sinking
No, you
in.
aren't. You won't. There's sand.
No, but
Yes, there is. Just a little. Am I right?
Yeah.
Now she's shown that you're on the sandbar.
Oh,
Turn
my
around
God.
towards Baba. Scoop some sand.
Oh my God. Oh, that's too brown, Dad.
To your left, to your right. Anyways, this is what we do, friends. We pull it and then
It feels like
put it on the beach, and the girls help, and we have fun at the same time. And you want to jump in? And we're going to say goodbye first. Say bye to them first.
bye.
Thanks for tuning in, guys. 1, 2.
Wait, I need
Okay.
to.
Okay.
I need to go over there.
Okay.
I'm gonna. Going in quick. I'm
Okay.
gonna jump in.
You want to jump in?
I'm
On
gonna
3?